Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna share with you how you can find playlist on YouTube. Okay, so if you want to find or if you want to learn something from YouTube, then playlist is the best result for us. Okay, so how can we find playlist from YouTube? Just follow my step, then you will learn. Before the tutorial starts, you are requested to subscribe to this channel, and if you face any problem or if you have any question, please let me know in comment below. Okay, so let's begin the tutorial. So we need to go YouTube apps. You can also go in your on YouTube apps. So here you can see the YouTube apps right now. Click on this, and after that search anything. I just read something here. um, Web development, something like that. You can search anything you want to learn. So you can see here all uh, content is here, videos. So if you want to get more content about web development, then we have to select playlist, then we'll get a lot of videos. So how can we find this? You just follow my step. Here you can see the three dot line, the right top corner. Click on this, and after that we need to click filters, and after that we have to find this option. Here you can see type, right? So click all, and we are getting this pop-up background or pop-up this one. Okay, here you can see the 5 options. So this is easy to select and easy to see that playlist. You can see choose this one, and after that we need to go apply. So after that we are getting a lot of playlists where you can find a lot of videos according to web development. So you can learn anything, and obviously YouTube shows you the best results because YouTube algorithm shows the people the best result for YouTube. So this content, the first content is good, and gradually it is good. Okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe this channel and also like this video. And if you don't like this video, you can also dislike this and also give your opinion on the comment below. Okay, so today is no more friend, and thank you for watching this tutorial.